washigima nani otwekaga theri Murugamia wakuria kwereka makinya makoma igete haraya go Neo twekaga theri makinya makoma igete haraya Rahiga kwereka Neo twekaga theri makinya makoma igete ae raro-inĩ rwa ihiga. It has been a while, imekuwa siku mingi bana. Ndona tuanjie umuthi na rwimbo rwa Miriam wa Muthũngũ rwa rwa ihiga. It's been a while guys, imekuwa siku mingi ni mademo misite. Nimekuwa like it's been some months kuma rĩrĩa twekire show ino, but the show has been there from 2022. We are just picking it up from where we started. Anyway, mkoretwo mahana ati ndungata cia Ngai nie njagirite ta bomb on this first day of September. Na nĩ wega tukorwo tukimenya ati we are in the last month of the third quarter of the year. Melo yo kizungu. Mwaka ukoragwo na quarter inya. The first quarter yajagia January, February, March. Tukaingira the second quarter, April, May, June. Third quarter, July, August, September. After tukaingira the last quarter of October, November, December. Kogo tu dakika za rara salama za hii mwaka. Na gweciria gikorwo ne wari na plans kuria January. Thaa ici niguo riu ufati ukorwo wi haria ugika ama analysis kidogo ukimenya hapa ndio tumefika, hapa ndio tunaenda na hapa ndio tunafaa tukue by the time mwaka inaisha. Nie njagirite ta bomu. I hope you are doing fine. Maundu ni maingĩ maria makoretwo magĩthiĩ na mbere. Kuma rĩrĩa twekire show ino nĩ gũkoretwo na maundu maingĩ mũno. Thikũ ici Karango ndarapost ũrĩa postagi. Thikũ ici a lot of things have changed. Mambo imebadilika sana. Ona ni thikũ ici de Beard Gang. Kwa yote tunasema baba ni asanti. Now tena maundu maingĩ mũno maria tũkorwo tukĩarĩrĩria mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. But before we get there, no ngũhoya na njĩra ya gĩtĩo kindly, angĩkorwo wĩ mwena wa YouTube, kindly subscribe. Angĩkorwo wĩ mwena wa Facebook, kindly follow, nĩgetha tukorwo tũgĩthiĩ na mbere wega. Najua with time hii show tutakorwo tunaifanya daily on a daily basis, nginya rĩrĩa Jesu agacoka kana nginya rĩrĩa tugakorwo na radio nene, radio rĩu nene, not necessarily a radio. Thaa ici no ũngĩhingũra radio saizi labda mtu afungue inaitwa aje, an online radio area ena video na audio at the same time, but we will get there very soon. Talking how very soon, but daishi we do what we have right now. Ngũhoya na njĩra ya gĩtĩo rĩngĩ kama uko kule Facebook man, kindly follow me. Angĩkorwo wĩ YouTube, naona YouTube pia tuko na wase, kindly subscribe nĩgetha tukorwo tũgĩthiĩ na mbere wega. Now over the weekend nĩ gũkoretwo na event nyingĩ mũno. Kumekuwa Murima Festival, kumekuwa a lot of events zimekuwa pale hivyo. Je, wewe ulienda gani? Kũrĩa Nanyuki ndĩronire ilikuwa pure display of opulence. Andũ maroka na machopa. Ilikuwa choppers, ndĩrona kũrĩa nginya nĩ kũrarĩ na ndege ĩratwaraga andũ. It was pure display of opulence. Na kũrĩa asijui wewe weekend ulikuwa wapi? I don't know where you went to party. Na thaa ici kwĩna event maingĩ mũno ma Gĩkũyũ. Saa hizi inaitwa festivals. Ũraigua kwĩna Mataha Festival, kwĩna Murima Festival, kwĩna Dangote Festival. We are moving away from Mugithi. We are moving away from the Mugithi name. Thaa ici tũroerera rĩu festival. Na kwa yote tunasema bani asante because it is for the growth of the industry. Nĩnjugaga provided the industry is growing. That's the only thing that we as the people who are eating this industry, even though the only way mtu usikia amesikia fiti. On other news ni ati ni kurari na last week interview irekirwo na drona one of the artists aria makoragwo agengeton kuria tene uretwo Shal Kido. Sijui kama niko na hiyo video ndio naitafuta pale hivyo mdogo. Hena mwini uretwo Shal Kido. Na Shal Kido ilifika point akakuwa amefika ile mwisho, the mwishos of the mwishoest, na akakuwa pale hivyo anaomba msaada, akiuga arenda onduthi.
Ladies and gentlemen, the opening ceremony. Shukran sana. Uko fiti? Shukran sana. Niaje wasee mazee, niko na boy wangu hapa, wasalamie mazee.
Mazee, guys, mazee Shal Kido hapa. Ama Shal Kido Silas ama mtoto wa Shushi.
Yes. Tuko hapa na Shal Kido mazee. Aliomba pikipiki na watu wa sisi kwa sisi walichanga pesa kule Kitengela. Tukasema hii pesa ya Kitengela tusaidie na Wakenya. So team sisi kwa sisi ndio wamekubaia pikipiki mazee. Unawaambia nini?
Mimi naambia thank you so much mazee. Wenye board amekam group hiyo maisha kakam group. Mimi nashukuru sana kama sisi. Lazima ni
Watatolea ngoma moja ya sisi kwa sisi. Si ndio? Ngoja kubless sana mazee. So mazee tuko hapa tumemwekea insurance. Jina inasema nani hapa? Kuja uone bro. Paul Koigi Mungai. Na pia hapa tumekubaia hapa inasema wapi jina yako? Paul Koigi Mungai. Ndio insurance yako. Ndio hii logbook yako. Uko na logbook, uko na insurance na ndio hii receipt yako.
Thank you so much.
Naomba sana.
Shukran.
So Shal Kido is not the first artist. Tiwe mwini wa mbere wa gengeton gukorwo ati ni turamuona akinyete handu nginya ni aracangirwo. Kumekuwa wasanii wengi from the likes of akina those groups kina Boondocks Gang, andu acio othe, but ino ya Shal Kido niyo ehutetie andu akirima muno tondu Sailors Gang iliko ya Kikuyu sana, but why, how did we get here as creatives? Twakinyire ati handu ati no amass a lot of wealth kana no ukorwo ritwa rĩa kuri haria iguru for quite some time, no wakinya handu nginya ndurahota kweji sustain. Imekuwa something that imekuwa ikisumbua wasanii wengi sana, especially aini aria meyumiragia, na unakuta huyu msanii ame rise from like there is no that big journey. Ame rise like in a period of like 2 months na amekuwa jina kubwa sana. Nio koraga ni makinya hado anashindwa ku manage that fame and that thing that has come just like that, and unakuta vitu kama hizi na happen. Na kwa hivyo it is good mwini toyo agiteithio, but it is better aini aria thaici me haria iguru unajua that inaweza fika time ukue pia wewe umefika hii situation. Kwa hivyo wefange ndungata tondu niguka gitaraire. But anyway, we hope that riu Shal Kido ni egukorwo fiti, ni ekuhota riu kweji sustain, ni ekuhota kurera mwana wake na family yake, because that is what tunakuja kutafuta in Nairobi. Aside from hizi kuimba na celebrity na whatever, itho the twethaga wagereru no ria tungihota survive to the next day. Anyway, we hope all the best to Shal Kido. Ndio maoni maku megie uhoro uyu. Unaweza comment hapo pia tuambie what you think, man. In other news, In other news, muthenya wa muthi hwaini hena mbathi ĩcinirwo harĩa Juja na ilikuwa Supermetro. Supermetro recently tuge ta mwaka ũyũ imekuwa manze nĩyo sako ĩrĩa ya ngari ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo na scandal maingĩ mũno kana ĩkorete mathĩna-inĩ maingĩ mũno kutoka ile scandal ule Donda alidedi from all those things kupiga wasi accidentally na thaa ici kũratuĩka atĩ mbathi ĩyo ya Supermetro ĩgũthiĩ ya Juja na on its way to Juja ikapatana na one of the Nduthi guys na that Nduthi guy akapigwa na akadedi on the spot na hau niho ngori yanjirie tondu andu a Nduthi meyumĩririe na manjia kũrehe vurugu ĩrĩa ĩthireire harĩ mbathi ya gukorwo ĩgĩcinwo. Ilikuwa some very ugly scenes na ndigwĩciria this is the solution to all this but we are here. Hizi mangori za beef ĩno ya andũ a Nduthi na andũ a ngari it has been there for quite some time na mũno mũno andũ makoragwo makĩblamwo nĩ andũ a Nduthi tondũ ũkoraga ona bara-inĩ watu wa Nduthi ndio upitie hii side ingine like gari cirathiĩ mũndũ wa Nduthi kwanza anapitanga hii side ingine ya side mirror ĩrĩa ũtarona wega so unakuta hizi ngori zinapatikana all the times na gwĩciria the only way we can sort this ngori nĩ kũngĩkorwo na strict rules cia andũ a Nduthi because how dogiuga anyway ishafanyika mambo yote ishafanyika tutingianjia kublame modo tuge ati mtu wa Supermetro ndo alikuwa kwa ngori this time mtu wa Nduthi ndo alikuwa kwa ngori this time but andũ a Nduthi ni mabatiĩ gũkorwo merada mũno tondu clearly you can't destroy more than 7 million investment. Anyway, ndio maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story. Now, on to the next story. Over the weekend, nikurari na one of the biggest events I think in Kenya so far this year, na ni event ya CHAN finals irare gatagati ka Morocco na Madagascar, and of course Kenyans because of their beef with Tanzanians marare mwena wa Morocco, but something happened. Ado marata urana kuga this is a bit extreme. Ntoronire hare ya Zuchu akeina na pale hivyo akiimba watu walieka national anthem, clearly walikuwa naimba national anthem. Have a look at this. Yo, how did we get here? Beef ino yajirie ita just a joke between the Kenya and Tanzania uhoro wa CHAN, but beef nekoreto ho mbere no haikuwa this extreme like it got this time, but people didn't expect that tafika point mpaka msanii Moinita Zuchu niegukinya handu akoro agiko embarrassment teno. Zuchu is one of those artists aria industry ne ya Kenya mafans a Kenya nio mamukoretie to that level that he is right now. Ogirora YouTube views shiake shia was it last year or this year to which month, Kenya views zilikuwa zimefika 98 million za Zuchu, na ukiangalia Tanzania there were even not more than 20 million views. Kwa hivyo Moinita Zuchu Kenya ndio imemgroisha na athaici kuona maundu macio no makorwo makihappen ati no ke Kenya na akorwo agikwo January tete. It is very bad, but anyway we should maintain a clean beef between Kenya and Tanzania, but ikifika hapo kidogo tunakanika sisi ndio madonzi tondu mundu ni ithuĩ tumukinyetie hau na ithuĩ tutarenda kuigua nyĩmbo ciake, so tunaka we need to revisit that. The vibe of Kenyans, we need to have limits to that vibe. But all in all, CHAN finals ilikuwa one of the best events. Agikorwo ni uronaga finals icio ni uronire the top tier leadership that was there and the excitement that was there in Madagascar. Dona bethe Madagascar mageshoka Madagascar wamekewa ma billboards kila mchezaji, billboards kwa road hivi zimepangana every player. Now seeing that from even Madagascar and Morocco and all those countries that participated in CHAN, we have nothing to say as Kenyans. Kumekuwa na bad side, kumekuwa na good side. All in all, tunabaki pale hivyo kwa balance ya good. The event was good. Anyway guys, nidio maoni makumegi uhoro yo. Tuende kwa next story bana. Hena beef ikoretwo ho. Hena beef ikoretwo ho ya Kikuyu industry. Na thaa ici kũratuĩka atĩ it is being sponsored tondũ anytime kwĩna a serious national issue nĩguo cai ũyũ ũreyumĩria. Ndarĩria cai wa Karash na Triza. Over the last few months nĩ gũkoretwo na drama ĩyo nene mũno, na thaa ici nĩ ikinyĩte to levels that people are wondering what is the next level, tondũ Karangũ wa Mũraa kuma rĩrĩa ndamũmenyire ndarĩ anina mũthenya ũmwe atapostĩte, but right now it's been weeks kuma tariki 18 August the guy has not been posting. All this nĩ ũndũ wa drama iria na cai ũrĩa ũkoretwo gũkũ online ũmwĩgie, and all this is because of Triza. Nake Triza mwena ũrĩa ũngĩ ndĩrona mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ in the spirit of back to school nĩ kwarĩ na a scandal last time. Nĩ acomplainaga atĩ mwana wake nĩ arathi gũcererwo nĩ Kabiti woman na akakuwa kwa against your story sana, na akiuga nginya mwana wake ndarenda gũcoka cukuru ĩyo. Now today nĩ amũtwara cukuru ĩngĩ, and this time atarĩ na kiremba. Is this a way to kufanya Karangũ asikie vibaya ama? At this point I'm not getting it. Todo if I'm not wrong, there is an ambassadorial job that is at stake. Karangũ wa Mũraa he cukuru, he international school advertisaga. Ngwĩciria Triza uga wĩra ũcio ũthire ũguo tondũ the terms wa mtoto anasomea huko maũndũ nĩ maingĩ, no tũgũkiuga drama ĩno ya Karangũ na Triza. It's high time mwache kucomplain kusema kwanza Karangũ acha complain kusema aini na blogger nĩo marathũkĩria. Coka magomano-inĩ ma njĩra. Know what's ailing you and know how you can sort it, because only you can do that. Gũtirĩ mũndũ ũngĩ ũkuma matu-inĩ sort ngũri ciaku. But I think that move ya gũkorwo wĩ silent online, it is good. Kwĩragwo gũkũ online you are as good as your last story. Together ici Karangũ kumĩra video ciake one of the fine clubs in Nairobi, kũrĩa nginya rĩu ndarĩ na kiremba, ni kusuguliwa tu pale hivyo tu akimbaga tu bakas bana. Hizo videos zitrend, apashwe ile mbaya. After 2 days eke mũcango acangithirie mũndũ ura attract sympathy oru mũno, amucangire toko arabatara ta milioni ta 6 ahote kumucangira. Do you know people will forget all that story that happened before, na watafocus na kufurahia na venye amesaidia huyo mse. So it was a very good move for Karangũ to go offline, nigetha andũ mariganĩrwo nĩ maũru macio makoretwo makĩmũbuata, rather than gũikara tu hau bado no ũraposti ugai arathi kĩ hapo kwa comment section watu wana revive machungu. But I believe that right now mambo itakuwa fiti, na the next time you're coming back online at least there won't be that big backlash. No tũrakiuga gũtirĩ mũgwĩ wa bara, na hena rwĩmbo bado twetereire rũkorwo rũkĩrutwo, itatolewa tu pale hivyo, and I hope and pray things gonna be all right. Now tunaelekea kumaliza stories za leo jameni, but hena ũndũ ũrahapenire mũthenya wa ira kũrĩa Kahawa West Kamũtĩ-inĩ, na this is something historical kũrĩ andũ arĩa makoretwo makĩbuatĩrĩra industry ya Gĩkũyũ. This is something very historical, and turonire askofu. Let me get that photo. Siwezi kosa hiyo picha hapa jameni. There it is. So nä kå rahanä undu very unique na andå arä a makoretwo magibuatirira industry they can bear me witness that nä gå koretwo akujakua sitaki kusema kumekuwa beef but akujakua fiti gatagati ka bishop aitu eri a murima na kuona muthenya wa ira Bishop Ben nä arathire kuria priesthood. It was something very significant na nä rakorirwo neutralize that sitofahamu na sitoelewana ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ho gatagatĩ ka makanitha macio merĩ. And kama uliona hiyo video especially when Bishop was talking, then you know what I'm saying. Kiasi ni watafutie hiyo video. Here it is.
I am a happy man because this is what I wanted. The presiding bishop of the priesthood churches, my brother, my longtime friend, my partner in crime, Bishop Mwangi wa Wajiro, other bishops in the priesthood churches, our longtime father, Bishop wetu, rafiki yangu sana, General, and now the founding father and the first Archbishop of the Priesthood Churches International, Archbishop JJ Gitahi. Retigathira ona wageria kuriurira, it can never, and we cannot fathom. It is, and your wife, our mother, and of course Mutumia wa Bishop Mwangi, the board and the congregation of the priesthood churches. Praise the name of the Lord. Amen. I am Bishop Ben from Jesus Christ Compassion Ministry, and my happiness today is that you have become. The day I was appointed for a bishopric position, I was so worried about you. And I came to your home. I remember we were with Bishop Mode and your wife and Pastor Sir James, Reverend Sir James. And I asked you, what next? Because I was worried. I am a young man, you have raised us. We came from the same church, AIPCA, and I was worried of what you will become because the generation that you have raised has now begun to take over. And I pushed you a lot. I remember when we were launching Oria JJ, I told you, allow and accept that you become an archbishop because I felt the time was that time and it was ripe. And I thank God because you've seen a great man. Actually today in the morning, when I was going through my Facebook memories, the first photo that came in my phone, we were with you and Joel Mushebe. Adakuigwira thamuno. Ona dina thina we niguigwirire thamuno. But I thank God, whatever we saw, when we were playing football, we were shabiks. Even I never knew that I'll become a journalist or a radio presenter in Kameme. We loved God. And with all our mistakes and our flaws as human beings, God has raised us to become this generation generals. And I know, because I believe in you, that whatever he has made, whatever I've seen he has achieved in 38 years, we are going to make him proud. Bishop, today in the morning, I called my team and I told them, no one has invited us. But I saw it because I'm your fan, I'm your follower, I am your son. And I said, when I saw you, you wrote, anyone who respects me, anyone who loves me, come and celebrate me. Today, we have come because we love you. That is number one. Number two, we honor the anointing upon your life. Number three, as a bishop who has instituted a church, I am a founder of JCM. When that story was running there, I was seeing myself in 20 or 30 years to come. Na niĩ ndingĩruma kĩrĩa ingĩenda gũgatuĩka. Na tondũ ndĩ mwambĩrĩria wa kanitha, Mwangi nĩ mwega nĩ kũneo wane. Niĩ tondũ ndĩ mwambĩrĩria, nĩ ngwenda kĩrathimo kĩa mĩaka ĩyo 38. Ngakorwo ndĩ na hinya tawe na ngakorwo ndĩ na ciana tawe. Kanitha wa priesthood nĩ kanitha witũ. Niĩ ndarĩ mũcirika gũkũ ndaikaraga speakers yarĩ harĩa. Twĩna mũraya witũ hau no twaikaraga. Na kanitha ũyũ nĩ ũnjiarĩire ahunjia. Ndĩna Reverend Mũrĩithi nĩ mwana wa gũkũ. Na gũtirĩ mũndũ ũrakaraga mwarĩ kana mũriũ angĩhika kũngĩ kana hikanie kũngĩ. Ndĩna Gatuthu aumĩte kamũtĩ-inĩ. This church has raised people that are serving in JCM.
Habari ndio hiyo, and we hope that there will be peaceful coexistence between hizo kanisa mbili za Mlima, because we need God, na God ni mmoja kwetu sisi wote. Now the next story, before tuingia story ya Sakaja, story ya Sakaja ndio ya mwisho, but before we get there, there is a video nimeona imekuwa huku hivi online. Let's have a look at it.
County ya Nyeri, Sub County ya Nyeri, Rogongo Rua Gothi, Etora Rea Gatito, Gatora Gaeto Getago Gatito, Di Mojiro Bare Amathi, Getako Kia Wanjiko, Datika Ohe, Wana Oremo, Nedera Ruire, Nademo Drome.
Muriaka deke. Ye jetago mupua murua munga. Jikaraga Nairobi, New Mete County ya Kiambu, Sub County ya Kidongoi. Rugongoroa Ikino. Itora Rea Karia, Katora Kaito Jetago Karia. De Moboy, Barean Goni, Kitakukea Honora. Niraxiga uhe, Orimona wana, ne de Ravure na de Moromeki.
Morega. Mwathani agocwo. Amen. Mwathani agocwo rĩngĩ. Amen. Hama rĩtwa njĩtagwo Kĩngara wa Gĩthũi, witũ nĩ Gatũndũ ya Mũhũro Kiambu, itara rĩa Kĩmunyo, ndĩ Mũmbura wa Mbarĩ ya Mwathi, gĩthako kĩa Wambũgũ. Rĩka rĩa wathani nĩ Maina, nĩ ndatiga ũhĩ, ũrimũ na wana, na nĩ ndĩrarũire na ndĩ mũndũrũme ki.
So guys, Irua ni one of the events cia Mũgĩkũyũ area very sacred. Ndiĩ kana nĩ ũguo Chris?
County ya Nyeri,
Na I don't think it should be taken lightly. Angĩkorwo nĩ ũrenda irua rĩa Ũgĩkũyũ, mũndũ ũrathiĩ irua rĩa Ũgĩkũyũ abatiĩ gũkorwo akĩmenya ĩtagwo atĩa? kirira wega ndubati gukorwo ugithi hau arafu riu ni hindi urerirwo kirira hau nginya ona nduramenya nginya Gikuyu basic nginya ku introduce uramiuga ta poem uria ona ungiurio the meaning of what you're saying you can't say that. Hena ka video gaka ndiĩ kana nĩ ũkonete ka imwana ciraruire Gĩkũyũ but ni walami hata wanaongea kizungu ile ya kumeza ona ndigwĩciria ona nĩ marĩ maria Gĩkũyũ ona me ciana no thaa ici maranarate unaona vile ile kujiintroduce niĩ ndĩ Mũgĩkũyũ habari ya kĩ nĩ ndĩratigire ũrimũ wana kĩ na ndĩraruire ndĩratuĩka mũndũrũme ki mwana ũcio thaa ici ũngĩmwĩra ataure kĩrĩa auga I don't think they can. So nĩ ka video ndĩronire very interesting na ndĩrauga no nginya njũke njarĩrĩrie haha because if you nĩ tũrenda mũno twĩta Agĩkũyũ to maintain our culture but we can't maintain our culture only ikifika pale jandoni ni ndekahane tarĩ itherũ. We need to teach our children Kikuyu kuanzia akiwa mkidi if at all you really want this culture thing. Mfunze Kikuyu kuanzia akiwa mtoto nigetha ona arua akiuga kirira kiu kana akijiintroduce uguo ni aramenya niki arauga. And I will really challenge aciari a ciana ici mathie thaa ici mama engage na Gikuyu. Some of these people can't even talk fluent English. Nĩ ta ũrĩa rĩu marauga maraji introduce ta ũrĩa nĩ kave tunasikizanga mapiano we are enjoying it but we don't know what they are saying. Tũngĩrwo thaa ici tataura rwĩmbo rũrũ rwa mapiano ndũngĩhota. I mean you can't. So it is only fair if you want to maintain our culture, if you want to do all that about our culture, tuianzie pale hivyo from the basics. Ndiye maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ? Can comment down there tuambie. Wakwa no nginya agakũra o Gĩkũyũ just like how my parents did to me. And now on to the last story of the day. Nigetha tukorwo tukihinga muthenya wa umuthi ni ati Sakaja is facing impeachment. Na kumekuwa na msururu wa magavana wakiimpichiwa pale hivyo. Tulianzia na pale hivyo gavana wa Kericho, gavana wa Bomet, gavana sijui wa wapi. All of them are facing impeachment, even the former governors. Na dhaishi huwa mkondo umefikia gavana wa jiji la Nairobi. Let's see why these MCAs are ganging up to impeach Sakaja. After MCAs cite corruption and mismanagement in Sakaja impeachment bid, Nairobi MCAs have outlined key grounds for the impeachment of Governor Johnson Sakaja, citing corruption, financial mismanagement, abuse of office, and irregular payment to law firms. At the core of the allegations are claims of public funds being misappropriated through questionable procurement processes, which MCAs say expose entrenched graft at City Hall. Supporting documents tabled before the assembly include payment vouchers allegedly funneled to senior county staff and close allies of the governor, reportedly in collusion with a chief officer of finance, Asha Abdi. According to the MCAs, the transactions reveal a systemic siphoning of public resources for personal gains, diverting money meant for essential services into private pockets. The mounting dossier paints a grim picture of an administration where corruption thrives unchecked, raising serious concerns over accountability, transparency, and Sakaja's commitment to responsible stewardship of the county finances. Now, so habari ndo hiyo kuna tukati Sakaja ni akaretwo akihudhira mbia cia county uru na hiyo ndio inafanya ama MCAs pale hivyo wamejump tu sana na dhaishi my MCA all the one term na two term all the may behind impeaching Sakaja. Kuna tuka as at today MCAs makiria ya 80 more than I think 89 ni makoretwo magisaini in support of the impeachment and all the queen are one term na two term. So raising the question of who will save Sakaja or who is doing this to Sakaja. Tondu thaici ndangĩyumiria auge ati ni andu wa opposition nio marenda nyume kana ni andu a thirikari nio marenda nyume. They have all ganged up against him. Na because of that nitwareke uko tukiona mind you, in the first place MCAs Nairobi ekoretwo majority ĩkoretwo Azimio kana ODM, na koguo Sakaja being a UDA governor lazima ange make peace na MCAs wa ODM, but right now inaitwaje broad based, in togetherness with broad based government, thaici ODM thirikari-inĩ, but the same MCAs bado ona me thirikari-inĩ, they still want Sakaja out. Muthenya ũmũthĩ nĩtwarĩkia kuona Sakaja athiĩte gwetha Raila Odinga in a bid to see whether he is going to save him. No tũgĩetereire tuone ũrĩa gũgũthiĩ na mbere, because at this time kwĩna maũndũ maingĩ mũno tũtoĩ megiĩ impeachment ya Sakaja, but you know what, only time will tell. Koguo no twetereire nĩgetha tũkorwo tũkĩmenya what will happen, what is really cooking, who is cooking, and what expectation do they have after the impeachment. As we wait for the next impeachment of the next governor, no tuire unaona nani mwingine atakuwa next impeachment, you can comment down there and tell us. And that is the end of the story of today. Niĩ njĩtagwo Oriji kũrĩ mwena wa YouTube, TikTok na Facebook. Ũngĩni follow no njigue fiti wenye wako Facebook, wenye wako YouTube. God bless you for me. Ngai amũrathime na amũige. Tucemanie rũciũ, same time, same place, different. Discussions.